equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Ensure you have a replacement screen compatible with the HP 250G8. Start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for safety. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, locate the screen connector. You may need to remove additional screws securing the screen to the laptop frame. Carefully disconnect the screen cable by lifting the connector gently. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Now, take the new screen and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the screen cable, ensuring it is firmly in place. It's a good idea to clean the internal components with a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris before reassembling. Once everything is connected, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable, and power on your laptop to test the new screen. If it works perfectly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your HP 250G8. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We ensure no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get your laptop fixed without hassle. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the screen of the HP 250G8. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with your repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.